Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 130. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to also go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 130, and down below we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed, and of course this collection is from Editorial Salvat. That being said, let's open this up. A meeting in the salon or in the living room. There you can see what looks to be a grandfather figure greeting maybe some grandkids there. And here it talks about like items and cleaning supplies for in the dollhouse. So like little brooms and little rags and things. That's actually kind of cute. Little buckets and brooms and things. A little trash can. And here, guys, it shows you how to put the wallpaper, which I will show you in just a moment, onto the dollhouse. It shows you step by step of how to not only cut it out, but how to paste it and measure it to fit the dollhouse. But no worries, once we have the entire Dollhouse collection unboxed, I will be showing you guys how to build it step by step, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And well, here we have the back, which will be the this will be the front of the dollhouse once it's completed. And well, let's flip this back over. And now, guys, it is time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our two new pieces of wallpaper. They are white and tan striped. We have two pieces which are just the same. And I'm going to show you the other side, which is just plain, which we will be gluing to the dollhouse. So we have this one, and then we have this one as well. And the back is white too. So we're just going to flip that back over. And okay guys, so with this one we actually got one more thing which I am going to show you now. Alright, so now we're just going to open up this next part that we got in this number. Let's just open this up. Alright, so we got this new, I'm not sure if it's going to be a sheet or a tablecloth, but it's a very nice. It's a bit see-through, but I don't think that really matters. And it's red and white, and I really like the pattern of the fabric. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? I'm gonna show you now the back side. So here we have the back. And well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.